Need a cheaper replacement for your MacBook MagSafe cable? This one surprised me. This is a USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable made specifically for the Apple MacBook MagSafe charger. It's not for other USB-C devices or power banks. This is Apple only. It supports fast charging, and in real use, it performs exactly like the factory Apple cable. The braided design keeps it tangle free, and the durability feels just like Apple's original cable. It's the same length as the factory charger. The only difference is a very slight increase in the MagSafe connector size. Everything else is indistinguishable. It even includes a rubber cable tie, which is actually really handy. If you want an affordable MagSafe replacement that works like Apple's, this cable absolutely delivers.